Fritto Misto. Ingredients: peanut or canola oil for frying, 2½ cups rice flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 1/4 cups dry white wine, 1 1/4 cups water, ½ pound calamari cleaned and cut into rings, ½ pound shrimp peeled and deveined, 1 bunched broccolini separated into florets, 1 fennel bulb thinly sliced, 1 small delicata squash seeded and thinly sliced, 1 lemon thinly sliced, plus additional wedges for serving. For the dipping sauce: 2 egg yolks, 2½ teaspoons Dijon mustard, 2 teaspoons chili paste, divided, 1½ teaspoons sherry vinegar, 2½ teaspoons distilled white vinegar, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1/3 cup extra virgin olive oil, 3/4 cup canola oil. Directions: make the dipping sauce. In a food processor, blend together the egg yolks, Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of the chili paste, vinegars and salt. With the machine running, slowly drizzle in the oils until a thick mayonnaise forms. Transfer to a bowl and stir in the reserved chili paste. Pour enough oil into a 6-quart pan to reach a depth of at least 2 inches. Heat the oil to 375 degrees. In a large bowl, whisk together the rice flour, baking powder and salt. Add the white wine and water, and stir until a smooth batter forms. Add more rice flour or water if necessary until you achieve a thin pancake batter-like consistency. One at a time, dip the seafood and vegetables into the batter and tap off any excess against the side of the bowl, so only a thin layer remains. Fry in batches for 2 to 4 minutes until crisp and lightly golden. Drain on a towel-lined plate and season with salt. Serve with the dipping sauce.